Hey everyone, my name's Mike Thornton and I'm your Emergency Management Director. Today I'm going to talk about what emergency management is and what our agency does before, during, and after severe weather events in Tillman County. With that said, let's get into it. Now, our agency is unique in the fact that I have a huge background in severe weather forecasting and operations. So I am usually monitoring severe weather impacts to Tillman County days, if not weeks, before they occur. Our agency utilizes GFS, European, and North American weather models, among many others, to determine impacts in Tillman County. Now, when we have determined that there could be a severe weather impact in the county, I will typically send an email out to our stakeholders as well as information out on our Facebook page to the general public. Now, on days of severe weather events, I'm typically looking at our Oklahoma Mesonet weather stations in Tillman County. We have one in Tipton and one in Granfield, and I'm looking at what wind directions we have, what our winds are gusting at, as well as what our dew points and air temperature are currently at, as well as our solar radiation. Some other things that I may be looking at is our SPC HRF weather model, which shows probabilities for tornadoes, winds, and hail on a severe weather day, as well as many other weather features. Typically, I also analyze mesoanalysis data, which allows us to see how much instability is in the atmosphere, as well as bulk shear and other types of wind shear products. By analyzing all of this data, we are able to give you, the general public, a solid forecast and let you know exactly what will happen in Tillman County before a severe weather event occurs. Now, when a severe thunderstorm watch or tornado watch is issued by the National Weather Service, our agency puts out a code red alert for the general public so that way they are aware as to what is going on around them. Additionally, our agency activates our Storm Spotter network in Tillman County, where we have storm spotters in Tipton, Manitou, Frederick, Davidson, Hollister, and Granfield. Additionally, you will also see me out storm spotting in our county vehicle during severe weather events. And if you see me stopped on the side of the road, come and say hi, and we'll talk about what's going on in the atmosphere. Now, during a severe weather event, our agency is heavily tied back into the National Weather Service in Norman. We heavily utilize NWS Chat, where we submit information on what's going on in Tillman County to the National Weather Service. By submitting storm spotter reports and damage information to the National Weather Service, through this feature, we're able to help towns downstream get early warning time. Additionally, if we have a very significant severe weather event ongoing in the county, storm spotters from our agency, state and federal, as well as local partners will also be combined into a conference call to help determine our damage impacts and determine the resources that our county may need during the response and recovery phases. Now, if we have damage across the county from severe weather, you will see my agency out performing damage assessments. Our agency performs damage assessments to determine if we qualify for state or federal disaster relief. Once we have performed those damage assessments, and if we reach a certain threshold, our county may be declared a disaster, allowing our county to get reimbursed for damages that need to be fixed. The same can be said for residents. We work alongside many agencies to try and get SBA loans and other types of individual assistance available after a disaster has occurred. So that's just a few ways that our agency is involved before, during, and after severe weather events in Tillman County. I hope you guys learned a thing or two, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon.